Supporting joint health, the role of vitamin K2 in osteoarthritis prevention and management. Introduction. Osteoarthritis, OA, is a degenerative joint condition that affects millions of people worldwide, characterized by the gradual deterioration of cartilage, which cushions the ends of bones. As cartilage breaks down, bones rub against each other, causing pain, stiffness, inflammation, and reduced joint mobility. While genetic, metabolic, and inflammatory factors contribute to osteoarthritis progression, emerging research highlights the protective role of vitamin K2 in maintaining joint integrity, regulating calcium metabolism, and reducing inflammation. Understanding the intricate connection between vitamin K2 and joint health offers a promising approach to mitigating osteoarthritis progression and improving overall joint function. Understanding osteoarthritis and its progression. Osteoarthritis develops gradually as cartilage deteriorates over time. Healthy cartilage acts as a cushion that absorbs shock and reduces friction between bones. However, factors such as inflammation, oxidative stress, and improper calcium metabolism contribute to cartilage degradation. As cartilage breaks down, bones may develop osteophytes, bone spurs, leading to joint pain, stiffness, and impaired function. Key contributors to osteoarthritis: progression, calcium mismanagement. Improper calcium deposition contributes to cartilage calcification, leading to stiffness and increased friction within the joint. Inflammation and oxidative stress. Chronic inflammation exacerbates joint damage by releasing cytokines that degrade cartilage and promote tissue breakdown. Protein dysregulation. Inadequate levels of vitamin K-dependent proteins that protect cartilage lead to unchecked cartilage calcification and degeneration. Scientific evidence on osteoarthritis. A study published in Arthritis Research and Therapy highlighted that calcium buildup in cartilage accelerates joint degeneration in individuals with osteoarthritis. Research in the Journal of Orthopedic Research confirmed that inflammatory cytokines released in osteoarthritic joints further degrade cartilage and worsen joint function. Vitamin K2, a key player in joint protection. Vitamin K2, particularly in the form of menaquinone 7, plays a critical role in regulating calcium metabolism and supporting bone and joint health. Vitamin K2 activates GLA-rich protein, GRP, and matrix GLA protein, MGP, two vitamin K-dependent proteins that prevent calcium from being deposited in soft tissues such as cartilage. These proteins protect cartilage cells from calcification and maintain the structural integrity of the joints. How vitamin K2 supports joint health. Regulating calcium metabolism. Vitamin K2 ensures that calcium is deposited in bones rather than accumulating in soft tissues, reducing the risk of cartilage calcification. Activating protective proteins. GRP and MGP prevent calcium buildup in cartilage, reducing the progression of osteoarthritis. Reducing inflammation. Vitamin K2 modulates inflammation by inhibiting pro-inflammatory cytokines, which slows down cartilage deterioration. Enhancing cartilage integrity. By maintaining proper calcium balance, vitamin K2 supports the structural health of cartilage and prevents joint stiffness. Scientific evidence supporting vitamin K2's role. A study published in Osteoarthritis and Cartilage demonstrated that higher levels of vitamin K-dependent proteins in osteoarthritic joints correlated with reduced cartilage calcification and better joint function. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that low vitamin K levels increase the risk of developing knee osteoarthritis and accelerate disease progression. Vitamin K2 and GPX4 activation, protecting cartilage from oxidative stress. In addition to its role in calcium regulation, vitamin K2 activates glutathione peroxidase 4, GPX4, a powerful antioxidant enzyme that protects cartilage cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress leads to the generation of free radicals that damage cartilage and contribute to joint degeneration. GPX4 neutralizes these harmful byproducts, preserving the health of cartilage cells. Key benefits of GPX4: activation, protecting cartilage cells. GPX4 prevents lipid peroxidation and reduces oxidative damage in cartilage tissue. Modulating inflammatory responses. Activated GPX4 reduces the inflammatory cascade that accelerates cartilage breakdown. Slowing osteoarthritis progression. By protecting cartilage from oxidative damage, GPX4 slows the degeneration of joint tissues. Scientific insight. A study published in Free Radical Biology and Medicine highlighted the protective role of GPX4 in preventing cartilage cell apoptosis and maintaining tissue integrity. Consequences of vitamin K deficiency on joint health. Insufficient vitamin K intake impairs the activation of critical proteins such as GRP and MGP, allowing calcium to accumulate in cartilage and leading to increased inflammation and joint degeneration. Vitamin K deficiency accelerates the progression of osteoarthritis and increases the risk of cartilage calcification, which worsens joint pain and stiffness. Consequences of low vitamin K2 levels. Cartilage. Calcification. Inadequate MGP and GRP activation allows calcium to deposit in cartilage, causing stiffness and pain. Increased inflammation. Deficiency in vitamin K2 leads to higher production of inflammatory cytokines, exacerbating osteoarthritis symptoms. Accelerated joint degeneration. Without adequate vitamin K2, the protective mechanisms that maintain joint integrity weaken, resulting in faster progression of osteoarthritis. Increasing vitamin K2 intake for joint protection. Optimizing vitamin K2 levels through dietary intake, supplementation, and lifestyle changes can significantly support joint health and slow osteoarthritis progression. Best dietary sources of vitamin K2: fermented foods. Natto, a traditional Japanese fermented soy product, is the richest natural source of vitamin K2, MK7. Animal products. Grass-fed butter, egg yolks, organ meats, and cheese from pasture-raised animals provide ample amounts of vitamin K2. Supplements. Vitamin K2, MK7 supplements offer a reliable and effective way to maintain optimal levels, especially for those with limited dietary intake. Recommended dosage. Clinical studies suggest a daily intake of 180 micrograms of vitamin K2, MK7, for optimal bone and joint health. However, higher doses may be necessary for individuals with osteoarthritis or calcification issues. Additional lifestyle strategies to support joint health. To enhance the benefits of vitamin K2, incorporate the following strategies to protect joint health and slow osteoarthritis progression. Engage in low-impact exercise. Activities such as swimming, walking, and yoga strengthen muscles, improve joint flexibility, and reduce stiffness. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess body weight places additional stress on joints, accelerating cartilage breakdown. Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods. Omega-3 fatty acids, turmeric, and ginger help modulate inflammation and support joint health. Hydrate adequately. Proper hydration ensures joint lubrication and minimizes friction between bones. Conclusion. Vitamin K2 plays a pivotal role in maintaining joint health by regulating calcium metabolism, reducing inflammation, and protecting cartilage from oxidative damage. Adequate intake of vitamin K2, whether through diet or supplementation, can slow the progression of osteoarthritis, improve joint function, and alleviate pain. Incorporating supportive lifestyle strategies enhances these benefits, ensuring long-term joint health and overall well-being. By addressing vitamin K2 deficiency, individuals can safeguard their joint health and mitigate the debilitating effects of osteoarthritis.